While every motorcycle produced by Tamarit Motorcycles is amazing in some manner, some of them surpass the others significantly. They turn up the bespoke magic to 11, making substantial alterations in almost every department you can imagine. These are the most remarkable projects that we have seen from this Spanish company, and their build library is replete with examples of them. The project that you are currently viewing is the 160th complete custom build that Tamarit has undertaken since 2015. It identifies as the Black Dragon and is distinguished by a blend of cafe racer and bobber-style cues that work incredibly well together. A carbureted Thruxton 900 from Triumph's portfolio served as the foundation for the entire customizing process, keeping just the most crucial factory components. The donor's parallel twin engine has been retained, along with the OEM forks, fuel tank, and main frame section. There's not much on this bike that hasn't been altered, though. Even these parts have had some major modifications. The Tamarit crew got right to work after performing the initial takedown and placing the Triumph on their workstation. The majority of the work was done toward the back when it came to structural modifications. After removing the specimen's original swing arm, subframe, and suspension, Tamarit made the decision to modify its anatomy to accommodate a monoshock setup. They built the higher mounting location for the future shock absorber in-house and fashioned a brand new, unique swing arm.